everybody's well. Trying a couple of new camera settings now. Watch some footage on cinematography settings for a camera. I'm also attempting to look directly at the camera, so I get that I've been looking at the screen and it might have been a bit off-putting because I'm not looking at the camera. So this is me looking at the camera. This is the salad today, well, as you normally have seen it, so you're going to see it. It basically becomes a cucumber avo salad, which is just kind of some leftovers that we had left from last night's party. So we had a 40th party last night. I don't know whose it was, but it was quite fun. This shoot I tried, or I'm going to try to do a little bit of slow motion photography, or catch things in like fast and slow it down, and see if we can get that sort of sexy porn cooking video style of stuff. So hopefully it turned out okay, and I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys tomorrow again. Let me know how it goes. Let me know in the comments below. Hit the subscribe button, and thanks as always for watching. Cheers.